In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when Roku won't open YouTube on your TV, whether the app crashes, freezes, or just won't launch. These simple steps work for most Roku users and can get you back to watching your favorite videos in no time. First, try closing the YouTube app completely. Press the home button on your Roku remote twice, find the YouTube app in the background, and slide it up to close it. Then reopen the app and see if that helps. If it still won't open, restart your Roku. Go to Settings greater than System, greater than Power, greater than Restart. Sometimes a quick reboot fixes all kinds of glitches. Next, check if YouTube needs an update. Go to the Roku home screen, open the channel store, search for YouTube, and if there's an update available, hit Update. If that doesn't work, try removing and reinstalling the YouTube app. Go to Settings greater than Apps. Greater than Manage installed channels, greater than Remove channel, then go back to the channel store and re-add YouTube. Also make sure your Roku is connected to the internet and running the latest software. Thanks for watching. If one of these steps got YouTube working again on your Roku, drop a comment below and let me know which fix worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech help. See you next time.